any this one is very spicy food.
脱解速伞，主伞打开。
Now, this is the opening of the parachute, as Professor Zhang Fan mentioned just now, a very critical step of this entire landing mission.
Capabilities, sort of small jumper sort of rockets going around and look for water in the
covering loose. So here it is about the back in the April 2022. Well, at that time, the Commander Ye Guangfu was the member of the Shenzhou-18 crew, and now is
everything out. And then later on, you have the decelerator, sort of medium-sized parachute.
We have 5 helicopters. One act as commander, one act as okay. Touchdown.
Touchdown.
Welcome
home, astronauts.
Yeah, so you can see the smoke is the ignition of the retro rocket.
For the search and rescue team to find the return capsule and open up the hatch. The 3 engineers and astronauts.
Okay, our helicopters have
the diversity of backgrounds you mentioned just now. Now, the commander, Mr. Ye Guangfu, has been carried out from the return capsule. As we mentioned, this is not because he's in a bad physical condition, but because of the loss of
2次进驻中国空间站，成为我国首位累计在轨时间超过1年的航天员，此时此刻平安。
He is so young but so experienced. From my personal view, so I think that he has sufficient chance to walk on the moon in the future. Because
could you identify from the visual we're getting right now?
Probably that will be Mr. Li Cong.
Mr. Li Cong, the 35-year-old who spent
and also
对我们奋力的
for
托举。
those
这次太空
astronomy related.
Exactly. Actually speaking, we have 14 astronauts in our first batch, but 5 of them never had the chance to go to outer space. So they are also heroes in my mind.
Absolutely. Now, Li Guangfu is being seated right out of the
3年的太空出差，从太空家园回到地球家园，此刻感觉如何？有什么想表达的？
Waiting them ahead are this lengthy recovery process.
And after this
Shenzhou-19 crew who arrived at the Tiangong space station a few days ago, and they